Now that you know what your agent will do and where it's going to live, it's time to ask an important question. Does this problem actually need an AI agent? Not every project needs one. Not even every automation project. Sometimes, a simple workflow, script, or rule-based process will do the job so much better. Understanding the difference saves you time, money, and confusion down the road. An AI agent is designed to do a lot more than execute instructions. It reads, writes, and speaks in natural language. It interprets intent, applies knowledge, and makes decisions in uncertain situations. That flexibility is what makes them so powerful, but it also adds complexity. Each LLM call costs tokens, time, and risk, so it only makes sense to use one when the work requires genuine reason or language understanding. If the task is deterministic, meaning it has one predictable input and output, a workflow or automation tool is usually a lot better. Here's a quick tip. BotPress does both of these. If the task involves context, interpretation, or conversation, an AI agent is absolutely the right choice. Let's look at how Terminal Roast approaches this. Taryn's team has defined their first task, collecting customer feedback on new coffee flavors and recipes. Adrian, the lead barista, suggests 2 ways the agent can handle this. The first is conversational. The agent asks why a customer liked or disliked a drink and tries to understand their reasoning. That requires nuance, interpretation, and memory. It's a good fit for an agent. The second is programmatic. The agent presents a simple list of new recipes and asks customers to respond with yes or no. That interaction does not require reasoning. It's a perfect candidate for automation. By separating these 2 flows, the team makes the system a lot more efficient. They use an agent where language understanding matters and a workflow where logic alone is enough. Many teams blur this distinction. They try to build an agent that does everything. It answers questions, pulls data, updates records, and manages transactions, but every additional function increases cost, latency, and maintenance overhead. A much better approach is to combine agents and workflows together. Use workflows for structure and reliability. Use agents for intelligence and adaptability. Think of the agent like the front line that interfaces and understands users. Then passes structured actions to automation systems that executes them precisely. When these 2 systems are clearly defined, your result is a lot more stable, scalable, and transparent. Here's a quick test. Ask yourself, does this task require understanding natural language, or could it be handled by a simple rule set? If it requires understanding, for example, identifying intent, handling ambiguity, or referencing knowledge, it needs an agent. If not, build it as a workflow. You can always layer an agent on top later once you have clear logic and data in place. It's so much easier to expand a working workflow into an intelligent one than to debug a complex, overbuilt agent. Trust me, I've done this hundreds of times. Terminal Roast's approach, separating conversational and programmatic tasks, is a really good model. They end up with a leaner system that does exactly what each part is best suited for. Clarity here pays off later in maintainability, cost, and performance.